I feel nauseous, believe me.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Edna Harris and I hope you are doing fine. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make potato soup for skin lightening. All the ingredients that I'm going to use in today's video are all natural and it's very effective. It's going to help your skin look young, fresh and beautiful. So don't go anywhere, stay with me and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue.
Welcome back everyone and let's go straight into the process. I'm going to use potato, coconut oil, aloe vera gel, vitamin E capsules or almond oil. If you don't have vitamin E, you can use almond oil. So this is my pear soap and I'm going to cut it into pieces.
I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get.
So after doing this, I'll peel my potato. Potato has a high iron content which promotes a healthy and radiant complexion. Potato contains azelaic acid which acts as a natural skin brightening agent. So potato is very good for the skin. You also have to cut them into pieces because I'm going to blend it. So this is my blended potato.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all want a ring. Yeah, we all want.
After blending the potato, I'm going to mix aloe vera gel and almond oil. So you can take 2 or 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and then 2 tablespoons of almond oil. You make sure you mix it very well.
They deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. What it seems, man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all want a ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take.
After that, you can pour everything on the soup. So like I said, I'm going to use microwave to melt my base soup.
I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it.
And then you have to use soap making silicone mold. Yes, something that will shape your soup for you. That is what you have to use. But if you don't have it, you can use any container for it. Since maybe you'll be using it in the house, you can use any container and it will also work. So instead of silicone mold, I'm using these containers and I'm going to spread coconut oil inside it. I'm going to grease it with coconut oil. Then I'll pour my soap inside. Put it inside the fridge and then after 20 minutes you just go for it. You get it solid, you get it firm. So guys, this is our soap. This is our potato soap and now you can see I'm washing my hands with it. This soap contains anti-aging, skin brightening, and also reduce hyperpigmentation. Thank you so much for watching today's video and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.